Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about spherical mirrors. Already you know a plane mirror, right? If the reflecting surface is going to be a plane, this will be the plane mirror. So this will be the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface, you can say it to be plane. Whereas these two are the spherical mirrors. If the reflecting surface is going to be curved in this side, let me quote it with silver, okay, silver or tin. So this side will become this part will become the reflecting surface. This type of mirror, this inside will be the reflecting surface, and this type of mirror we call it as the concave mirror. Okay, this mirror is called concave mirror. The curved in mirror, reflecting surface is curved in. குகை மாதிரி கேவ்னா குகை இல்லையா, குகை மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி உள்ள கர்வின் ஆயிருந்ததுன்னா ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங் சர்ஃபேஸ் கர்வின் ஆயிருந்தால் அது கான்கேவ் மிரர். இன்னொரு மிரர் இஸ் த கான்வெக்ஸ் மிரர். another mirror is the convex mirror. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த bulged out part வந்து it will be the reflecting surface. I am coating this side with the silver. Okay, so this side will be the reflecting surface. This side will be the reflecting surface. So this is convex mirror. Bulged out mirror is convex mirror. Curved in mirror is concave mirror. So how did you get this mirror? Actually, you will consider a glass sphere, right? In the glass sphere la oru portion, say I will consider this portion, okay? I will consider this portion. In the portion la நீங்க இப்போ இந்த பக்கம் you are going to polish it silver this side, right? Now the reflecting surface here is, this is the reflecting surface is bulged out. So this will be the convex mirror. So this will be the convex mirror. Got it? So adhe mari consider another portion children. I will consider this portion, okay, of the glass sphere. The glass sphere la in the portion of the mirror consider panta. Now you can quote silver. Here you are coating it with silver. Okay, so inner part, curved in part will be the reflecting surface. So what mirror is this? This is the concave mirror, right children? This is concave mirror. So from the glass sphere only you are producing convex and the concave mirror. Okay, certain terms you should know while learning about the spherical mirror. You can see this is the center of the sphere. We call it as center of curvature. And this on the convex mirror I will consider the geometrical center. Okay, this is the mirror, convex mirror. Here I am marking P is the center of the geometrical center of this mirror. Same way in this concave mirror, this will be the geometrical center P. So this P is the pole. We call it as the pole. Okay, so pole is the geometrical center of the spherical surface of the mirror. Center of curvature, it is center of curvature. C is the center of the sphere, right? Now already you know what is meant by radius. Okay, what is the radius of curvature? So this distance, the radius of this is called radius of curvature. C to P, this is nothing but radius of curvature. So what is, see children, now we will see what each and individual term represent. Okay, so center of curvature. What is center of curvature? Center of curvature is represented by C. So what is center of curvature? It is the center of the sphere. It is nothing but center of sphere, of which the mirror is a part, of which the mirror is a part, right? Next we will see what is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature represented by the letter R. So what is radius of curvature? That is nothing but radius of sphere. That is nothing but radius of sphere. And third thing is pole. So what is pole? Represented by the alphabet P. What is pole? It is the geometrical center. Center of the spherical surface of the mirror. Geometrical center of the spherical surface of the mirror. And the fourth thing is principal axis. You should know what is principal axis. For that, let me draw the diagram first. Now here is the concave mirror. Concave mirror I will draw, okay? So I have to shade it. Curved in part should be the reflecting surface. So this is the concave mirror. Now you know that if you imagine a sphere here, so this might be the center of curvature, right? And this will be the pole. Geometrical center is the pole. So the line joining the center of curvature and pole, we call it as the principal axis. Got it, children? So in the other case also, let me draw the this is concave mirror. Now I am going to draw convex mirror, okay? Convex mirror. So the bulged out portion, other side, this side you have to polish it with silver, and now here you will get the center of curvature and here will be the pole. So the line joining P and C is the pole of the mirror. You can extend, okay? So this is the principal axis. So what is principal axis? It is the line joining. It is the line joining pole and center of curvature. Center of curvature of mirror. And another point you should note down, children, the light ray the light ray travel along the principal axis. It will retrace its path. Okay, if light ray is going to travel along this line, along principal axis, means it will come back in the same path. Okay, so light ray along principal axis, which is traveling along principal axis after reflection. Okay, after reflection retraces its path. It comes in the same way. Okay, this is concave mirror. So all these terms you have learned: center of curvature, radius of curvature, pole, principal axis. Next you should know what is meant by focus, principal focus. Now we will see what is meant by focus, principal focus or focal point. Look children, here what mirror is this? Can you say? You have shaded it out. Reflecting surface is curved in mirror. So this will be the concave mirror, right? This is concave mirror. Now, you know this is the center of curvature and this is the pole. The light ray, I am going to draw a light ray which is parallel to principal axis. This is principal axis, right? This is principal axis. This line is principal axis. Light ray traveling parallel to the principal axis fall on the mirror. After reflection, it passes through a point. It passes through this point, right? I will name it as F. Okay, I will name it as F. This point we call it as focus, principal focus. Again, I will draw another light ray, children. Light ray parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passes through a point. And it passes through a point, right, after reflection. This point we call it as a focus, principal focus. Okay, so what is focus, children? Light ray parallel and close to the principal axis. Close to the principal axis after reflection. converges at a point, okay, converges at a point on, where is that point, children? It is on principal axis, right? At a point on principal axis. This point is called focus. This point you call it as focus. This is in the case of concave mirror, children. Okay, concave mirror rays, parallel rays are converge to a point. See, there is a difference in convex mirror. So you can see a convex mirror, that is the bulged out mirror, right? So here what happens, we'll see. Same way, light ray parallel to the principal axis. Okay, after falling on the mirror, you know that it reflects, right? Another light ray will draw. So parallel ray, after it falls on the mirror and it gets a reflection. It gets reflection in this direction. Same way, parallel ray, after falling on the mirror reflects back in this direction. You can see that these 2 points, how it will, this reflected ray, you extend it backward. Okay, you extend it backward and you can see that these light rays are coming from this point. Okay, this light rays comes from this point. Okay, this point we call it as focus. So what is, in the case of convex mirror, what is focus, children? Light rays traveling parallel and close to the principal axis appear to diverge from this point, and that point we call it as principal focus of convex mirror. Okay, you can see that in the light ray பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து தான் இப்படி வெளியே வர மாதிரி டைவர்ஜ் ஆகிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. இது கான்வெக்ஸ் மிரரில். கான்கேவ் மிரர்னா லைட் ரேஸ் எல்லாம் ஒரு பாயிண்டில் குவியிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அது கான்கேவ். கான்கேவ் மிரர் எல்லா லைட் ரேஸையும் ஒரு பாயிண்டில் குவிக்கும், ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணும். அதே கான்வெக்ஸ் மிரராக இருந்தால் லைட் ரேஸ் எல்லாம் ஒரு பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து டைவர்ஜ் ஆகிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த பாயிண்ட்டை நம்ம பிரின்சிபல் ஃபோக்கஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ பிரின்சிபல் ஃபோக்கஸ் ஆஃப் convex mirror, what will you write? Same way you can write it as light rays parallel and close to principal axis appears to diverge from a point, right? Diverge from a point. This point is focus, principal focus. Next we will learn, I'll introduce another term, paraxial ray and marginal ray. Okay, paraxial ray and marginal ray. First we will see what is meant by paraxial ray. It is nothing but, again I will draw a concave mirror. You can see a concave mirror, right? And you know that this is the principal axis, right? C is here and P is here. So this is the principal axis. Okay, now the light ray which is close to the principal axis, right, which is close to the principal axis, and it gets reflected through this focus, through the point F, right? This is the principal focus. These ray we call it as, this ray is principal axis, and this ray we call it as paraxial ray. This light ray we call it as paraxial ray. You can see that the ray traveling very close to the principal axis, it makes a small angle with it. Abdina, what does it mean? Abdina, I will draw the center of curvature here, right? I will draw the center of curvature. See here, இங்கிருந்து ஒரு நார்மல் போடுறேன். இதுதான் நம்ம இன்சிடென்ட் ரே. இங்கிருந்து ஒரு டாட்டட் லைன் ஐ எம் ட்ராயிங் அ நார்மல், ரைட்? இந்த இடத்துல இருந்து the point of incident, மிரரில் இன்சிடென்ட்டும் சென்டர் ஆஃப் கர்வேச்சர் கனெக்ட் பண்ணுறேன். இது ஒரு நார்மல். இப்போது வித் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் டு நார்மல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் இன்சிடென்ட், பேரலல் ரே ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ண ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் இன்சிடென்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் வில் பி வெரி ஸ்மால். திஸ் ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் இன்சிடென்ஸ் வில் பி வெரி நாட். C this C and this line, let me name it as any name, C dash nu vechukonga. C dash pathina adu oru normal, right? This is the normal. C dash is the normal. So this paraxial ray, it makes a small angle, right? So paraxial ray na enna solalana, the ray which is traveling very close to the principal axis. Ray traveling close to principal axis, close to principal axis. அதுதான் என்னது, paraxial ray is paraxial ray. அடுத்தது வந்து marginal ray. Marginal ray அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, next is the marginal ray. Next is marginal ray. Marginal ray அப்படின்னா என்னன்னா, இதே ரே தான் அப்படின்னா the ray traveling far away from the principal axis. Okay, I will use some other different color. The ray which is in the principal axis ல இருந்து far away ல travel ஆகிற இந்த ray, okay, the ray which is traveling far away from the principal axis fall on the mirror far away from the pole. இந்த pole இருந்து தள்ளி விழுகிற இந்த parallel axis ல இருந்து தள்ளி போகணும், pole இருந்து தள்ளி பட்டு இது reflect ஆகணும். இதுதான் வந்து என்ன ray, and it is reflected. Okay, in the ray we call it as marginal ray. What you call it as marginal ray. So what are marginal ray, children? Rays traveling far away from principal axis. Okay, far away from principal axis, fall on the mirror, right? Fall on mirror. Okay, traveling far away from principal axis, fall on the mirror, far away from pole. Pole இருந்து தள்ளி far away ல travel ஆகிற இந்த மிரரை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், marginal rays ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். This we call it as marginal rays. Okay, so this term also you should know what is meant by paraxial ray and the marginal ray. Okay, after learning this term, in the next video we will learn the relation between focal length and the radius of curvature. You know what is meant by focal length, children? Children, you should know what is meant by focal length. Focal length is nothing but it is the distance between pole and the principal focus. Okay, where is the pole? Here is the pole, right? And here is the principal focus. So the distance between P and F is focal length, represented by the small letter F. So what is focal length, children? It is the distance between focal length, it is the distance between pole and focus. Okay, between pole and focus. This also you should know what is meant by focal length. Next class we will derive the relationship between F and R. Okay, radius of curvature and the focal length. Thank you, children.